Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit the audio from your videos in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you want to do, of course, is to import the video that you want, and you'll do that by going into your media and import media and just selecting it from your computer. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop the file from your computer into here, and that should have the same effect. Once it's uploaded, what you want to do is just drag it and drop it into the timeline, or just go click the plus and that will add it to the timeline itself. And now to actually edit the audio, what you want to do is go into audio to the right, and here you can click detach audio. From here you'll have a completely separate audio bar, and your audio will be included into your media in the top left, and that is pretty much how you separate it. However, what it does, this video still has sound, it's only muted, so this is just extracted audio from this, and I'm not sure if it's the same quality or just slightly worse, but it should be the same quality as it is, since it's just sound. It doesn't do anything with the sound itself. Now pretty much what you can do with this is you can cut out parts of the sound by cutting it like you would a video. Just select the sound, make sure the video is not selected, the sound is, click S or click the scissors, and then you can cut out parts of the sound like that. And you can just delete them by pressing delete or the trash can. I'll keep it fully intact just for that. You can modify the volume, you can make it 2 times louder, or you can mute it completely, and that is most of what you can do. You can also add transitions such as a fade that will add a fade in effect, so it will start out quiet and get louder progressively for a couple of seconds with a maximum of 2 seconds, and the same thing with a fade out. It's just the opposite, and you can set it to a maximum of 2 seconds as well, and you can speed it up, for example, up to 16 times, or you can make it as slow as 0.1 time of the original speed. And that is pretty much it. You can also add captions by clicking captions and transcribing the media. However, you can also add it through text manually to your video, and that's pretty much all the options you have for editing sound. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.